This past month, amidst relentlessly high temperatures, electricity demand in Delhi repeatedly broke records. The unusually high demand also led to frequent power cuts in Delhi and neighboring areas. Several places in central and eastern India faced similar or worse situations. The lack of electricity combined with abnormally high night temperatures made lives miserable and have even contributed to several heat related deaths. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The unprecedented surge in electricity demand is just a glimpse of the kind of stress that critical infrastructure faces from extreme weather events and resultant disasters. Power systems are not the only ones that are vulnerable. Telecommunications, transportation, health services, and even cyber systems face disruptions due to disasters, complicating an already difficult crisis situation. The breakdown of essential and emergency services not only hampers relief, rescue, and discovery, but also amplifies the risks and sometimes adds to the devastation. Making critical infrastructure resilient to extreme events and disasters is a crucial component of climate change adaptation. As the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events increase due to climate change, it becomes imperative to ensure that critical infrastructure systems can withstand and quickly recover from these disruptions. While early warnings and quick responses have significantly reduced human casualties in disasters, economic and other losses from extreme weather events and disasters have been rising. This is mainly due to the increase in frequency and intensity of such events. Government data shows that in the 5 years between 2018 and 2023, states collectively spent more than rupees 1.5 lakh crore on dealing with the aftermath of disasters and natural calamities. This figure represents only the immediate expenditure. Long term costs, such as livelihood losses and reduced agriculture productivity, are much greater and projected to worsen over time. To mitigate these impacts, it is crucial to adopt comprehensive damage assessment practices, enhance resilience planning for private infrastructure, and foster public private partnerships. By investing in infrastructure modernization, improving coordination and communication, and engaging communities and stakeholders, more resilient critical infrastructure systems can be built that can better withstand and recover from the challenges posed by climate change and extreme weather events. Let's look into today's headlines. Foxconn may manufacture AI servers in India. Apple supplier Foxconn plans to start manufacturing AI servers at its Indian facilities. These high performance computing engines will be used for training and running artificial intelligence models. The move signifies a major expansion for the Taiwanese contract manufacturer known primarily for assembling iPhones in India. AI servers in India would be seen as a natural next step for Foxconn. The company expects its global market share for AI servers to rise to 40% this year. Government announces a major change in MNP policy effective from July 1st. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has announced an important amendment to the Mobile Number Portability, that is MNP regulations. As a part of the new mobile number portability rule, the telecom industry regulator has introduced a 7-day waiting period for the issuance of the unique porting code. The move, to be implemented from July 1st, is aimed to address the fraudulent SIM swap activities, which is a new MNP rule change. Secure Connection launches Honeywell branded wireless speakers in India. Hong Kong based global electronic products manufacturer Secure Connection has expanded its India presence with a new personal audio product range from Honeywell. This includes three wireless Bluetooth speakers under Honeywell branding. The newly launched speakers are Suono P300 and P400 under the Platinum series and Truno U300 in the Ultimate series. The company said that all three speakers offer versatility in use alongside durability features. Tech Mahindra announces Project Indus LLM. Tech Mahindra has announced the launch of Project Indus, its indigenous foundational model designed to converse in a multitude of Indic languages and dialects, as well as the intent to expand globally. The first phase of the large language model, that is LLM, is designed for the Hindi language and its 37 plus dialects. The Indus LLM can be implemented using an innovative Gen AI in a box framework. WhatsApp to stop working on some older smartphone models. Meta owned messaging platform WhatsApp is planning to change its minimum system requirements. This would mean some old Android smartphones and iPhones will become incompatible with the app. 35 smartphones from popular brands like Samsung, Motorola, Huawei, Apple, and more are unlikely to receive WhatsApp updates or security patches. This move also ensures that users of these phones will be now compelled to upgrade to a newer smartphone. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.